Jenny and welcome back to my channel. So just a few more weeks, or should I say a few more days, and it's already Christmas, and before you know it, it's already 2019. But before the year ends, I wanted to do this 2018 favorites video, and today's video I'll be sharing with you guys what are my favorite skincare and makeup products this 2018. I know that some of you guys have been requesting that I do a skincare routine video, but I've been postponing it because my skin isn't really that great. I mean, you've seen some of the videos that I've just recently uploaded, and I've really have a very bad skin. Like, I've been experiencing a lot of breakouts, not sure why, but I've been using a few skincare products that is actually kind of helping me recover from all those breakouts. So this video I'll share with you guys what are those skincare products. So it's not gonna be a really routine video, but somehow you'll know what are the products that I've been using. So if you guys want to know more about what these products are, just keep on watching. So for the first part of this video, I'll share with you guys my skincare favorites first, and then we'll move on to my makeup favorites soon after. First up, cleansers. So the first product that is really my ultimate favorite this 2018 is the Kbeauty MATCHA Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. So if you guys don't know, JEJU, who's a famous YouTuber, is one of the creator of the products of Kbeauty, and I am obsessed with their products. She's actually one of the famous YouTuber out there that I've really learned a lot of, you know, skincare tips and skincare routines or skincare ingredients, and I really love her. If you guys don't know or don't follow her, please do, because she's one of the best out there. So this is one of my favorites cleanser this year. It's really gentle, it's really mild, it has a very gelish type of consistency or texture, and it's really gentle on your skin. So it's perfect for early morning cleansing, and I've been using this ever since I started having breakouts, just because I feel like I needed something very gentle for my skin. So this is one of my cleanser favorite, and another one would be the SRB Stabilized Rice brand Enzyme Powder Wash. So this is a very unique product, or very unique cleanser, because it's not the typical foam or cream type of cleanser. So it is kind of a powder or granule type of cleansing product. You have to put water into those granules or powder, and then it will emulsify into like a cleansing foam. So it's really good. At first I thought that it's gonna dry out my skin, just because every time I use it I feel like my face is really clean, and sometimes when I feel that, I feel like it's very drying. But with this one, it's not. I was really surprised that it was actually leaving my skin that natural pH after using it, so it's not too dry, it's not too moisturizing or oily as well. So I really love this, just because it's something that is really suitable for my skin type, and I feel like it actually easily gives me that brightening effect right after using it. So next up, sunscreen. So if you guys haven't been following me on my Instagram page, one of the things that you guys wouldn't know is that I haven't been wearing sunscreen like 30 years of my life, and I just started wearing it this 2018 because finally I found my sunscreen holy grail, and this is the Kbeauty Beet the Sun sunscreen. So it's one of those products that JEJU curated, and it's really suitable for very sensitive skin and those skin that easily gets breakout, because one of the reasons why I haven't been wearing sunscreen is because I easily get breakouts from whatever sunscreen that I've tried. Like, I've tried gel base, water base, you know, sunscreen that is for sensitive skin or for acne prone skin, but I still get breakout. But with this one, seriously guys, I haven't seen a pimple after using this. So I highly recommend this, and this is something that will probably my holy grail for the next few years until I find something better. But I don't think that I'll be trying to find more, because, or any other product, because this is really great. So it has a very, I would say a very liquidy consistency or milky consistency. The color is not white like typical sunscreen, so it's a bit yellowish and very nice on your skin. So you can easily put makeup on top of it, and it's so lightweight and not too heavy and doesn't leave a white cast. So I really love this, guys. So this is my 2018 sunscreen favorite. So next up is toner. So I have two products on my toner favorites, and the first one is something that some of you guys would have probably seen quite often in my Instagram page, and this is the BOTANICA Rose Moisturizing Toner from the SEM. So I have been obsessing with this 2018. For some reason, this is just a toner that really works for me. So every time I try to use other new toners out there and then I get breakouts, not because of the toners but some other products that I've been using. I just go back to this one and start using it again just because I feel like it's just something that really works for my skin. It's just different. I don't know how to explain, but it just works for some reason. And it's very cheap and it's a very big bottle, so something that is, you know, very economical. It has that very essence type of toner. It's not the watery type. It's very moisturizing and very, very good on your skin. So I can't really tell you whether it gives me a lot of good results, but something that I can tell you is that it works. It's something that really, you know, moisturizes my face and really cleanses my face before I start putting my skincare products. So I highly recommend this just because it doesn't break me out and it really just works. So another one of my favorite for the toner category is the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Toner. So I started using this pretty recently this year and I've been obsessing with it as well, just because every time I use this toner, for some reason my cotton pad is so much dirtier. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but for some reason it's so satisfying. Like every time I use this, I feel like my face is so clean and it's just really, you know, cleanses all the impurities of my face. I don't know if it's just because every time I use this, that day my face is just dirtier, but really seriously guys, every time I use this, my cotton pad has a lot of those black impurities coming out, and I'm really obsessed with this and something that I feel like I will continuously use after I finish my SEM toner. So this too is two of my toner favorites this 2018. Next up is moisturizer. So you guys would probably know that this is definitely going to be part of my 2018 favorites, and this is the INNISFREE JEJU Orchid Enriched Cream. So a lot of you guys have also been seeing this quite often on my Instagram page just because I really love this product. Like, this is my foolproof moisturizing cream. So every time I try different skincare routine and I get breakouts, I always go back to my usual product that really works, and this is one of it. So another one of those foolproof products is the SEM Rose Botanica toner that I showed you a while ago, and I use that and this one, and I feel like every time I use those two products, my skin just kind of goes back to the normal state. It will easily heal my breakout, and I feel like it's just slowly getting back to the usual skin that I have. So this is one of my ultimate favorites. So it's very, very moisturizing, not too oily and not too creamy. That's why I love this, and it's very suitable for my skin. So the last skincare favorite that I'll be sharing with you guys is this Swisse Rose Hip Oil. So I really love this, guys, because this really erases my my scars, my pimple scars, and some of the dark blemishes that I have. The funny thing is, when I picked this brand, there's actually a lot of rose hip oil on the shelf, but I picked this because this is actually the cheapest one, and I was actually in doubt whether will this work because this is the cheapest one. But surprisingly it did, and I'm quite happy with it because it's actually quite affordable. And so how I use this is I actually use it as a spot treat on those pimple scars. So I tried using it all over my face, where I actually pump a decent amount and rub my hands together and put it on my face, but then I got a few pimples the next day. So I think it really works for me if I just do it as a spot treat rather than putting it all over my face. So how I do it, like for example, this pimple scar here that is covered with concealer. So how I use it is I just put a little bit of amount and just rub it on that area, and the next day I'll immediately see like that scar would be 1 or 2 shades lighter. So it's actually quite good, to be honest, and something that I really love this 2018. So now we're moving on to makeup favorites, and first up, cushions. And I'm sure that you guys kind of expected what are my cushion favorites, and yes, that's right, clear cushions is part of it. And this is going to be the Conceal Cushion and the FOUNWEAR Cushion XP. You guys have seen the videos, how great this product is. If you guys haven't watched it, I'll put a link up here. But guys, these are really amazing products. So when I tried these products, I really have that extreme breakouts, and I was really kind of struggling with covering up my blemish. But when I did this review, at first pat, it easily covered up my pimple area, and it's amazing because I kind of skipped concealer, I think, for this conceal cushion, and for this one I just put a tiny amount of concealer, so it was really that great. So this is actually a dewy finish, and this is a semi-matte finish, so I am really obsessed with this, guys, this 2018. Another one of my favorite that is not Clio cushion is the Moonshot Micro Setting Fit cushion. So you've heard of this, you've seen it, and you guys know why I love this. It has a semi-matte finish, it's very lightweight, it's very cooling, it has a medium coverage, and very suitable for summer. So I've been using this recently because it started to get really warm and hot here in Australia, especially today. I'm sweating, but yes, I love this because something that I can comfortably wear without actually feeling like I have a thick layer of foundation on my skin. So yes, I love this. Next up is foundation, and this product that I'll be sharing with you guys is my ultimate 2018 foundation favorite, and this is the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. So I've been trying a lot of foundation, trying to see whether those foundations can actually replace this one, but no, nothing can compare with Double Lasting Foundation because it's really a great foundation. Like, it has a high coverage semi-matte finish, so it can easily cover up your blemish parts, your pimple parts. It's amazing, guys. I can't find the words to describe how great this foundation is. So this is my ultimate 2018 foundation favorite. So next up are my favorite blusher. So this will be the 3CE Mood Recipe Collection blusher, and this is the Mono Pink, and this is the Rose Beige. So guys, this has that very nice matte blush. Look at how pretty that is. And currently I'm using the Rose Beige shade, and I think lately, or for most of my videos, I've been using this to blush. I've been alternating it depending on my makeup look, but I've been using this quite often just because it's just amazing. Like, it has that matte finish, it doesn't give you that shimmery look, it just gives you that natural pink flush. Guys, this is amazing. You guys have to try it, at least just one probably, because this is really a great creation of 3CE. Next up is eyeshadow. So this product that I'll be sharing with you is something that I recently just did a review of, and this is the Moonshot Honey Coverlet Eyeshadow Palette. So if you guys haven't seen the review or tutorial that I did using this eyeshadow palette, I'll put a link up here. But guys, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. Like, it has everything that you need, and it has everything that I love about an eyeshadow. So it has matte shades, and it has shimmery shades, and it has a combination of red and pink shades and nice neutral shades that you can actually just mix and match. So I'm currently using some of the matte shades right now. So guys, really a great product. I didn't see a lot of fallout while using this, and it easily glides onto your eyes and you can easily blend it. Amazing eyeshadow, guys. You should try this out because it's actually a pretty decent size that you can actually travel with, so something that I'll probably be using quite often nowadays. And now next up is mascara, and this is not going to be a Korean brand but a Western drugstore brand, and this is a Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So I've recently just tried this, guys, and I was so impressed and so loving this, guys. It has that product that is kind of already a dried out mascara, but not really. So I usually love mascara when it's already dried out, just because I feel like I can easily just apply it without clumping and without, you know, staining it on my lid sometimes. So this is already it, and every time I apply it, I just have that nice lashes that looks naturally fluffy. Because sometimes when you apply a typical mascara, you'll have a lash that is dried and hard, and it looks like you have some clumping going on. But with this one, you won't see any clumping, it just looks fluffy. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but that's how I see it, and I am really obsessing with this, guys. You have to try this out, and it's quite cheap, to be honest. So yes, this is one of my 2018 favorite for mascara, and this is Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Last product that I'll share with you guys as part of my 2018 favorites are lip tints. And guys, there's going to be 3 products that I'll share with you guys because you know that I can't choose just one. I have a lot of lip products, and definitely there's going to be a lot of favorites this year. And one of those favorites are the 3CE Velvet Lip Tint. So I have a lot of shades of this, but I just narrowed them down to 3 because these 3 are the ones that I keep on using every single time. So these 3 shades that are my ultimate favorites are the Near and Dear, Taupe, and Going Right. So it has those nice nudish type of shade that I absolutely love, and I always use this as a gradient lip look. So I always use the Taupe one as kind of like the darker shade for my gradation lip look. So yes, 3CE Velvet Lip Tints. And then the next one, which is part of my 2018 lip tint favorites, are, yes, you guessed that right, it's the Airy Ink Velvet. I definitely can't end this video without including ink velvets from Peripera. So this is not the ink velvet, sorry, the Airy Ink Velvet. So I have all the shades of this, but I'm just narrowing it down to the 3 shades that I keep on using every single day. And these 3 shades are my go-to ones, and these are the It Brown Orange number 6, the My Brown Coral number 7, and the number 15 Bright Plum. So these 3 shades are my go-to shades. It's very natural and perfect for everyday look. I think for the Bright Plum, I just use that as part of my gradation lip look, so I don't use it as a full-on lip because it's actually quite intense. So yes, this is the second one of my lip tint favorites this 2018. And now the last lip tint favorite that I want to include in this video are the Ink Gelato, and this one is actually their fall shade. So I just picked 2 because these 2 are the ones that I keep on using every single time, and these shades are the number 8 Black Tea with Milk, and the other one is number 10 the Cherry Cinnamon. So these has more of a neutral tone, and this one has more of a pinkish or red tone, but not too intense. So I really love this, guys, for everyday look. It just gives you that very nice nice lip tint type of lips. So I am loving this, guys, and those 3 lip tints are some of the products that I keep on rotating every time. I just don't want to be bothered thinking about what lip product I will use. I will just grab any one of those shades that I just shared with you guys. So yes, those are my lip tint favorites for 2018. So that kind of sums up my 2018 skincare and makeup favorites this 2018. And before the year ends, I really want to take this opportunity to actually thank you guys for being a part of this family, and also for always supporting me and encouraging me to do better contents every time. You guys have been a really great help and a really boost of confidence for me, and I really wish that I can give back a lot of the good stuff hopefully next year, and I want to come back better and bigger next year hopefully. So thank you guys for always being there and supporting me. So I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in case I won't be able to upload any more videos before the year ends. So yes, happy holidays, guys, and I will definitely speak to you guys very soon. Bye!